Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Asano Kokoro. Code SONE 272. Released on July 23, 2024. And it has 150 minutes watch time. The story is about beautiful girl and the dormitory caretaker. The old guy runs a dormitory and he maintains the dormitory clean and neat. Apparently, on the New Year's holiday, the girl rented a room. So instead of spending her holiday with her loved ones, the girl wanted to be alone. So that night, while watching the celebration holiday, they had a couple of drinks. They got drunk. However, while they are at the room, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story begun.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.